started to think about how I could do these crossover things, because I think Maker Faire did a good job of welcoming the more masculine stuff, but not as much as the feminine stuff. They put kids into boxes and say like, oh, are you good at art or are you good at science? It's like both.
And can there be room for all of that?
Right. I had a USB microscope and I broke the USB on it, and then I was like, oh my gosh, there's like a tiny LED ring in the end of this. I must harvest you, you know.
We have a junk box. It's that same sort of thing where broken electronics go.
That's just exciting because I actually love the color pink, but you kind of risk not being taken seriously if you wear it.
I avoided it for a very, very long time because I wanted to be taken seriously as an engineer, and that means you can't be girly, right?
This is Jean's keyboard from Bob's Burgers.
Dang!
If you know the show. No. There we go. It's a fart sound.